Feeling stiff? This is RockFloss for your lower leg. This is a compressive tool for mobility, so we want you to start away from the heart and work your way towards the heart. With each wrap, you overlap 50% of the previous layer. For tension, start at 50% tension. You can work your way up from here, but this is a great place to start. Once you've reached the end, find a place to tuck it in. It does stick to itself, and here's where we move. We want to start with non-weight-bearing motions. Here we have ankle rolls along with a knee flexion and extension. You want to affect all the muscles that are wrapped with the floss. After that, we move on to weight-bearing motions. Now remember that we are affecting the ankle and the knee joint, so we want to move around all the muscles that are going into both. So calf raises in multiple directions and dimensions are great in any sort of angle. Rocking the ankle back and forth as you do some lunging, bending, toe raising. Body weight squats are great. And you can even add functional movements depending on what you do each day for your activity. And then remove. This is a 3 to 5 minute solution for better circulation, mobility, and pain-free movement.